Good day. In this video, I will talk about our program and how it can identify capital letters from N to Z, with a proper and an extensive training data. This is the code we used. Let's do a quick scan of the code. You may pause the video to have a closer look at the code. The source code of this will be provided for your reference. Let's try to run the app. Press Shift plus F6. Here is the overall user interface of the program. For the input size, write 135. For the output size, write 7. First, we will gather our training data for the letter N. If we look up N in the ASCII table, we can see that N is 1001110. Encode this in the output matrix panel located on the bottom right side. Then draw your desired N in the left side panel. Do it by holding the control button down, while dragging the mouse. Hit Binarize. A binary conversion will then appear on the training data text area. The last 7 digits of the data should be equal to the output. 1001110. Hit Reset. This will clear the values and then you can put your next set of training data. Create as many data as you can. It can increase the overall accuracy of your program. For this case, I will just show you a few samples per letter. Do this from letters N to Z. Remember, the more samples per letter you have, the better. Also, don't forget to change the output if you intend to create a training data for another letter. Use an ASCII table for your reference. Now that we have a considerable amount of training data, we can now move on to the next step. Copy all of these into a notepad. Save it. Load. Hit Train. The quick training time may be due to the transfer function we used for the program. Also, it may be because of the amount of samples per letter we used for our training data. As I have said earlier, a larger training data will have a more accurate result, but then again, the training time will also increase. After we have saved the trained data, and loaded it, we can now move on to the next step. The system testing. Now I will show you that even with a quick training time, the system can yield satisfactory results. First, make a pattern. Hit OK. Hit Test. There you can see on the output area that we got the right letter. We will now try it for O, for P, for Q, for R, for S, for T, for U, for V, for W. There are some errors, but then again, increasing and refining your training data will fix the issue and yield a much more accurate output. That's it for our video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.